I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've clicked into the table, now act. First, select the table by clicking a cell, then open Table Properties from the Format menu or right-click. Once done, focus on the border section. This controls how edges render. You're doing this because border settings govern both visibility and spacing. Setting width to 0 removes the line, while color and style still matter. Make sure you can see the border width field. It's usually in points, PT, and you'll change that next. Now change the border width to 0 points. Type 0 or pick 0 PT in the width control and apply it to the whole table so every cell updates. If your Docs version shows a color option, set the border color to match the page background or choose transparent if offered. This prevents faint residual lines. Once applied, click outside the table and visually confirm. If you still see edges, check cell backgrounds and styles, because contrast can make borders appear even when width. Finish by clicking outside the table so Google Docs saves the change. You can use undo if anything looks off. Make sure cell backgrounds match the page and that page margins or shadows aren't creating a seam. These often mimic borders. If a faint line remains, set border color to white or recreate the table in a new document as a definitive fix. Troubleshooting tip. If formatting persists, copy the table content into a fresh table. That clears stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.